Hi everyone. So I'm here in my car. I'm going to do a quick review on these Kitchfix grain-free granola product that I received for testing, and I got these off of Amazon. They're paleo certified, gluten-free, paleo certified, non-GMO, all that goodness. I just opened this. I haven't tasted yet, but the packaging looked really nice and pretty. Shipping came pretty fast. I got Prime, so it was like 2-day shipping. The ingredients, you can read it, you can understand it. They're all nuts and cinnamon, sea salt, vanilla extract, all kinds of goodness. There's no refined sugar, artificial flavor, or any kind of weird secret ingredients. Nothing that you can't read, nothing that you can't understand. Isn't that what you want in your food? Okay, but it does contain shell fragment because it is manufactured in a facility that uses tree nuts and pistachio. So chew carefully. This one have 4 grams of sugar. There you go. Not a lot of vitamins, but looks pretty good. I got 2. This one is honey pecan, and this one is the original mix. Let's try this one. I'm doing it with one hand. Sorry guys. Okay. So the original mix, ooh, you get tiny little coconut flakes up in here. I really like that. The seeds are separated. Alright, let me get a big chunk. It's kind of a big chunk. Cinnamony. Tastes like regular granola. But since you can read the ingredients, it's awesome. You know how good it is. It tastes like what you would put on top of yogurt, or you can put milk in it. You can just snack on it all day. I think it goes great with yogurt. I do make homemade yogurt, and I think this would go great with it. Okay, let me open up the honey pecan. Ooh, these got bigger chunks, more like, remind me of those cereal bars. But these are very crunchy, kind of taste like buttery. Tastes kind of like fresh, like how you eat fresh nuts, fresh pecan or almond, all kinds. Hold on. Oh, it is so good. It is sweet, but not overwhelmingly sweet. This one has 4 grams of sugar. And this one has 5 grams. Oh my god, it's so good, guys. I'm gonna take this to work. I'm gonna snack on it all day to stay awake from work, right? Clean, conscious ingredient. I like how they package this. Very eye-catchy. Kitchfix started in 2012. Pretty new company. So I got this to test and review. I'm gonna give it a 5 out of 5 because it tastes awesome. There's no aftertaste. It's not chewy. Doesn't taste old. It tastes pretty fresh. As fresh as it can be, right? When it's processed. Okay. Well, there you go. You can get these off of Amazon. Just search up Kitchfix grain-free granola. I'm not sure if they have other flavor, but these are the flavor that I was given. My favorite, honey pecan. I don't know. I love pecan, and that hint of honey really goes well together. And this one, it's good, but I would definitely put this on yogurt. And this one, I could just snack all day. Without yogurt, with or without. Oh look, even tells you how to enjoy. Crunch in your yogurt, put some almond milk on it, pudding. Ooh, chia seed pudding. That will go great. Okay, well there you go, guys. Hope you enjoy that. Go get it. Try it. Try it at least once. It's not that expensive. I don't know what is the prices on Amazon because I forgot, but I got these to review. There you go. Bye.